Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Vlogmas. I am so excited to be participating in Vlogmas this year. I will be bringing you videos every day from December 1st to December 25th. Yes, every single day. Make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of these videos. Let's get into it. Welcome to day 15 of Vlogmas. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite hair care products, some of my favorite hair care stylers. Let's get into it. So before we get into these hair care stylers, can we get into these earrings from PRN, the brand? Absolutely love these beautiful earrings. She has some amazing jewelry, small Black female-owned business. I will leave her information in the description box so that you can purchase some of these items. But let's get into these stylers. So these stylers are going to be brought to you in no particular order. So first up are my favorite stylers from Uncle Funky's daughter. So we have the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream, and we have the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. Absolutely love both of these products. This Super Curl, the moisture. Actually, this perm rod set that I have in right now was created using Super Curl. Okay. Need I say more? But the moisture on this is amazing. The definition that you can get from this is amazing. This is a must-have. And then Curly Magic. Bomb wash and go with this. Bomb twist out with this. Bomb braid out with this. You need these in your collection. Next up are some of my favorite stylers from Camille Rose. If you know anything about Camille Rose products, and I feel like I say this in every video that I do on Camille Rose, if you know anything about their products, you know that they are super, super moisturizing. So if you are looking for some products with some extreme moisture, Camille Rose is the line for you. So I have the Curl Love Moisture Milk, which I use as a leave-in conditioner and sometimes as a styler. This is my go-to. I think this is my second, probably my third bottle of this product. Next up is the one and only Almond Twisting Butter. Another great product, very moisturizing. You can get some bomb twist outs, braid outs, twade out with this butter. And then next up from Camille Rose is a holy grail of mine. It is the Honey Hydrate Leave-In Conditioner. This is my favorite leave-in from this leave-in line. This Honey Hydrate, she is my pre-poo. Anytime I do a protective style, once I take that protective style out, I'm going for her. You definitely want to have her in your stash. And then last but not least from Camille Rose is one of the new products from the new Black Castor Oil and Shea Butter line. This is the Butter Cream. Just recently did a complete review on this entire line, and this butter cream, whew, Camille Rose does not miss. Like, you need all of these products in your stash. Okay, so next up in my favorite stylers is from a small Black owned business, Veda Organics. So this is the Curl Slayer Curl Defining Gel. This is an all-in-one styler, perfect for wash and goes and styling. This Curl Slayer, bomb hold, bomb definition, she's the GOAT. And then the Fresh Whip Styling Foam, Balm roller sets, wash and go. These products, definite must-haves. Again, this is a small back-owned business that you should definitely know and support. Next up in my favorite stylers, and you've heard me mention this brand and this line numerous times, the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey line. So this is the curl defining mousse, and then the coil sculpting custard. My other favorite styler from this line is the leave-in conditioner. I've literally went through 3 leave-in conditioners and I am completely out of it, and I am extremely sad. But I have so many products that I can't purchase anymore right now. But this pomegranate and honey line, the entire line is amazing. These are just the last 2 products that I have from the line, but that leave-in, add these to your list. Now this next line is near and dear to my heart. The CEO, owner, and founder of this line gained her wings this year, and when I say it's a tremendous loss, it is none other than TGIN. So from this line, I have the jumbo size of the Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. If you have not tried this leave-in, like, what are you doing? What are you doing? This leave-in is not only a leave-in conditioner, but it's also a styler. When I say I got a bomb twist out just using this, go get you some. And you need this big one. Next up from TGIN is 2 duos. And I can't decide which duo is my favorite. First, we have the Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner and the Miracle Repair Miracle Styling Gel. This duo is amazing. This line is amazing, just like all of the lines from TGIN. Add this to your stash. The next duo from TGIN is from the Rosewater collection. This is the Rosewater Smoothing Leave-In Conditioner and the Rosewater Curl Defining Styling Gel. And this is my second bottles of these 2. So all of these TGIN products are absolutely amazing. I pray that they continue with these product lines because they are amazing. Okay, so next up on my fave stylers is from a new brand to me. I've actually only tried this brand once, and that one time, she showed out so much that she made it to my faves, and that is none other than Rizzo's Curls. So this is the Refresh and Detangle Spray and the Light Hold Gel. And when I say I achieved my best wash and go to date with these 2 products, add them to the list. Add them to the list. And thank me later. Next up, couldn't be a faves video without my favorite temporary hair color, the only temporary hair color gel that I know, Gemini Naturals. So we have the Curl Awaken Primer, which is the leave-in conditioner, and this leave-in conditioner is the truth. Like, this stuff is bomb. And then we have some of my favorite colors. We have Purple Rain. These are all from the new packaging from Gemini Naturals. We also have Pink Berry. And we have Sunset, which I just used in a video. If you haven't checked that out, I'll leave a link in the cards above. but Gemini Naturals is my absolute favorite temporary hair color company. Again, the only temporary hair color gel that I know there's a lot of temporary hair color waxes out there, but this is a gel. This is bomb. You definitely want to include Gemini Naturals in your product stylers. And last but not least, for my favorite stylers of 2021 is an OG to the hair community, but they dropped a new line this year. It is none other than Lustrous Pink. So this is the new line that they came out with this year. These are 3 of the products from the line. This is the Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel. This is the Repair and Strengthening Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion. And the Growth and Scalp Relief Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion. Now we all know about the pink lotion, Lustrous Pink Lotion. I've been using it forever. Great grandmother used it on my hair, my mama used it on my hair. It's been in my hair forever. But this new line, you need this in your collection. So if you've never tried Lustrous Pink before, where you been? Get you some. Hope that you have enjoyed this video, learning about some of my favorite stylers from 2021. Let me know in the comment section below if you saw some of your faves or some that you want to try out. Again, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.